Welcome to Italy! Buongiorno guys, so I'm here in Italy, as you can see from the title of this video. Me and the meatball Grace are doing a little Italy tour this week. So we're doing 2 nights in Rome, 2 nights in Florence, and then 2 nights in Venice. Really excited. I didn't do any vlogging yesterday because I just wanted time away from the camera. But me and Grace sat opposite the Colosseum and had amazing pasta, amazing pizza, and we just sat there with a drink, and it was just absolutely beautiful. Welcome to this video. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. The plan for today is we're going to see as much of Rome as we can. We're going to start at the Trevi Fountain and then go to the Colosseum and spend the afternoon in the Vatican City. So yeah, I'm really excited for that. Greece was absolutely amazing, but now I'm ready for another adventure in Italy. It's going to be a lot different than Greece. It's going to be lots of exploring, lots of walking. So yeah, keep watching and find out what happens in Italy, I guess. So fun fact about the Trevi Fountain, it's actually turned off and cleaned at 8 AM every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So we've reached our first stop in the day, which is these Spanish steps, which they are even more stunning in person. I don't really have many expectations for Italy, and everywhere I'm going is just absolutely beautiful. The smells, the flowers, the coffee shops. Obsessed. Scalinata di Trinita di Monte, the Spanish steps in Italian. I apologise for my really bad pronunciation there. These steps were built in 723 and designed by architect Francesco de Sanctis. The steps were built to link the Trinita di Monte church to the Spanish square down below. It really was a beautiful sight first thing in the morning and without any tourists. Okay, so we made a little mistake and ended up walking towards what we thought was the Colosseum, but it was just a restaurant called Colosseum. So we are just on time for our tour of the Colosseum. So yeah, gonna put my mask on and see what it looks like. Me and Gracie have decided to get one of these, so we're getting a little audio tour, so you can buy these for €5 just as you walk in. Probably worth it if you want to learn some history. It's just a little iPod thing that tells you about. It's really cool. So this place is absolutely beautiful. You can just feel the history when you're walking around. One thing I will say is that it's actually really annoying having to wear this mask, especially because it's so hot, but it's definitely worth it. I just keep taking it off like this. But you can see how it used to be that tall, and then over years of erosion and earthquake, it's slowly gotten smaller and smaller, but you can see they've kind of covered it in mesh to try and preserve as much of it as possible. Just left the Colosseum now. I'd highly recommend checking it out if you like history. It's definitely a beautiful sight. learned a few things. One of the things that I learned, that the lower down in social class that you were, the higher up you sit, and then like they had like VIP areas and stuff at the bottom. It's just a bit clapped that was entertainment back in the day. Like we watch TV nowadays, and back in the Roman times they used to kill each other and cheer them on. Like, how weird's that? Update, so we're currently sat outside the Colosseum enjoying a nice Prosecco, and I just can't get over this view. Like, everywhere in Italy is so beautiful. So Grace made me get a large because that is our big Italy energy. So we're in a bar called Coming Out, and they do some vegan options and stuff as well, so that's why we've come here. And of course to get the stunning view of the Colosseum behind me. So guys, I've actually decided I am obsessed with Italy. But yeah, every street me and Grace turn down is just more beautiful than the next one. Everywhere just looks like a fairy tale, and I'm just loving it. I'm all about architecture anyway, so this is just like dreamy. Like, I haven't seen one street. There's quite a lot of streets that have got graffiti on them, but I haven't seen many streets that I'm like, that looks ugly. They're all covered in beautiful flowers and nice little balconies and nice colours. And I just don't understand why it's taken me so long to come here. Like, I'm pretty sure this is just your average street in Italy. And there's not really any houses here. They're all just like high-rise buildings and dreamy ass windows. And I'm all about those high windows as well.
Next up on our tour is the Pantheon. It used to be a Roman temple, but it's actually now a Catholic church. It was rebuilt by Hadrian.
I keep getting the facts really wrong, so that's why Grace keeps having to get involved, because I'm like, Pantheon Theatre? I'm like, it's not Pantheon Theatre, it's just freaking Pantheon. So luckily we have someone that's not dyslexic on this crew, because she knows the facts, guys. So we have now reached one of the final stops of our day, which is the Vatican City. Grace was telling me it's actually its own country. Okay, so that actually wasn't the entrance to the Vatican City, that's just part of the Vatican City, which we're in at the moment. Me and Grace just tried to go into this one here, which is the Basilica, but because Grace didn't have her shoulders covered and I have shorts on, you have to be respectful and cover those areas. So I think we're going to have to try and come back in the morning with trousers on and shoulders covered. So we're probably going to Uber back to the hotel and then chill for a few hours, because we have been walking all freaking day, and then get ready to go and have some drinks out. We got a few recommendations from the bar that we was at earlier, so we're going to check that out and yeah, just see what happens. So it's the evening time now, and we've got all dressed up. I look like I'm like literally not wearing any freaking clothes. I'm just wearing like some light shorts and like t-shirt. And we've booked to go to dinner near the Trevi Fountain. It had really good reviews on TripAdvisor, so I will put that in the description below where we go. So yeah, just waiting for Grace to get ready, and we're gonna head out. I'm really vibing with the Italian flag, and this building is doing things for me. So we've just come to Pizza in Trevi, and this pizza actually smells amazing. And Grace has got an amazing looking pasta. So I'm gonna put the camera away and dig in, because this looks incredible. So this is probably quite a rare thing for the Trevi Fountain to be not very busy at night time. When we came here earlier they were cleaning it, so we couldn't really get a good vibe of it. The fountains went on, but oh god, it looked really sunburnt as well. But yeah, it's so pretty here. Got our coins in our hands. I don't know if I can make my wish.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, mine didn't go in!
Same.
Mine didn't go in, it just fell on the floor.
Why do you like this?
Why do I look like a tomato? Oh no.
Same.
Now my wish isn't gonna... Right, so Grace has got another 10, so I get a second chance at this. Do I have to do a new wish, do you think?
No.
Okay. Now, let's hope it's gonna go in. Oh, it went in that time. I'm happy. My wish is gonna come true.
Your career as a basketball player will not, because you can't throw for shit.
Hey. Morning guys, so second attempt at trying to get into the Vatican City attractions. Me and Grace are covered up now. We've got trousers and t-shirts on and stuff. We have found that we've left it a little bit late, so we've actually only got a couple of hours to try and hit all the main points in the Vatican City. We want to do the Vatican Museum and the Sistine Chapel. I would also say book at least the day before, because we've just found where we're booking it on the day it's an extra €8. So instead of 18 or 19 euros, it's actually 27, which is slightly annoying. We got the bus over here and it only costs €1.50, so I'm happy about that, because we've been a bit bougie and getting Ubers everywhere. Oh, it's crossing the road. So yeah, I'm not sure if we're allowed to take cameras in there, so if I vlog, I vlog. If I don't, I don't. I'll maybe put some pictures in afterwards. So yeah, gonna go ahead and explore the Vatican City. Okay, so our plan kind of failed. Basically, we don't actually have enough time to do everything. We did try and book tickets at 11:15, and then some guy ended up pulling us into a ticket office and we couldn't go on that booking. So by the time we actually leave Rome, we would have only had like an hour to try and do everything we want to do, which isn't enough time. So we are going to go into the Basilica, because that is free. Why do I say that weird? So yeah, I'm just eating a little sandwich and having a coffee just outside. Okay, so a few tips regarding the Vatican City. Firstly, cover up your shoulders and legs and book the attractions that you want to see. We didn't plan this very well, so we only had time to do the Basilica, but there was so much more to see. Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed that. Our time in Rome has come to an end now, sadly, but we are off to Florence, so that's all okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, leave some comments down below, subscribe to my channel if you're not already. The people, the food, and the buildings in Rome are absolutely beautiful. I'd highly recommend to come and check it out. I definitely will be coming back here one day. So we'll be saying goodbye to Rome and welcome to Florence in Italy. Let me know what you think about this new little segment I'm probably going to do in the next few vlogs. I just find when I'm editing videos that I just find the funniest things, or just like weird things that happen on camera that I don't want to put in like the main video. So yeah, comment down below. Do you want me to put in more bloopers? Do you find them funny? What do you think? Welcome to Italy! I am so cringy! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. No, I was just thinking of roller coaster. Oh my god. Keep tripping. Keep tripping over me, bar. Every street me and Corner. Her name's not Corner. I've actually officially lost it. I think it was probably the Aperol at lunch. I just called Grace Corner. She's not happy. So the next stop on our day is the Pantheon, which actually used to be a Roman temple, and now it is a... So the Pantheon used to be a Roman church. Oh my god, I can't say it for shit.